Hey there, today I'm going to be revealing what I got for Christmas. Some of it I'm literally going to open it in front of you because it has been sitting in the other room and I've been sick and I'm now getting to it. I know what everything is, but you know, it just took forever to unpack it. The girls are fighting down below. If you're interested to see what I got for Christmas, stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrance, skincare, handbags, luxury goods, your $5 cup of coffee that you spent too much money on, whatever makes you feel good about yourself, your puppies that, you know, you love so much and love to play all around, whatever you feel is about treating yourself, this is where you'll find that information. I am going to be upfront. I am getting over a cold and I am not feeling the best. So I might be a little bit flighty and all over the place, but I'm going to do my best here. So I didn't bring everything because I got, this is really braggy, I got quite a bit from friends and families, and you know, I didn't feel like I needed to bring everything. I'll insert a couple pictures of the other things that I got from, you know, that are outside of the realm of luxury, so to speak, but still are near and dear to my heart. So I'll insert those pictures, but a couple of them I treated myself to. And when my husband got me, just your random stuff. So I'm trying to think of what order to go in. So maybe we'll go with the Chanel items first. So the Chanel items I got from the Chicago boutique, and it's the one, I think it's called Oakbrook, if I remember correctly. And they did a really great job of wrapping everything up in the holiday packaging. So let me undo the ribbon here. I was just really impressed with the tweed decor that they did this year. The stars and I say it's almost like a zodiac type of theme. So this is the white packaging, and then I have another item that's in the blue packaging. This is all from Chanel Beauty, not from Chanel, the boutique itself. So I got one of the, oh, this has the blue packaging, never mind. So this is the white gift packaging, but the blue theme is on the gift sets. So this is the Eyes to Impress set, and this is the waterproof long-lasting eyeliner, La Base mascara, and Volume de Chanel mascara. And let me open this up. You know what? It's not going to let me open it. It's got taped shut, so I'll just insert a picture of what the kit has. So blue makeup case, and then the individual beauty items. So I'm just kind of not in the mood to fight with the packaging right now. That's what you get when you're not doing well. But that's that item. And then the other thing that I was really excited to get is in this packaging. Again, blue gift set, and I got myself the Chance au Splendide fragrance, and it has the holiday overlay packaging. So I tried this out several months ago and I just never really got around to buying it, and this was my chance to just pick it up for myself. So I've been meaning to add it to my collection for quite some time, and I decided to treat myself and get that. So I'm going to put that right here. I think it's a really pretty box. So that's what I bought myself. And then I got from some family some Jo Malone items. We've got this little gift set here. It came in the holiday packaging, and it is 3 of the fragrances in this little pouch. It's the Mirin Tonka, English Perrin Freesia, and Peony Blush Suede vials to go. I'm trying to make it 3 10mm size is what the item is. And then the other thing I'm really excited about is I missed out on it last year, was the ginger biscuit scent. This is actually just the candle. I didn't see the fragrance anywhere, but when I saw the candle, they picked it up for me. So I really like just the freshness of this scent. So that was a nice, fun addition to the home fragrance items. All right, so then I got some LV items, and I'm going to go, I think, in order of price and I guess grandeur of them. I was very lucky to get holiday packaging, which each of the orders, we picked up 2 of these in the store. The other one came online. So I think this one, if I remember correctly, this one, I only bought it because the second item I'm going to unbox was out of stock, and I thought I was going to use this as a replacement for that item, but then my husband ended up finding the other item, so I got it anyway, but I thought it was kind of fun. So we have the lovely LV packaging for Christmas, and I was able to get the holiday bags for everything, but I never got the boxes. So the boxes were just the standard LV boxes, and then it had the holiday ribbon. But I was hoping to get one of the blue boxes. So if someone has the box, I like to collect them. So I would love to get that. Hit me up. But this item, and I like that it came in the old style drawer as well. I know a lot of the new purchases are coming in there's a button to push on them, but this I just picked up recently, so they're still using the old stock. So it came in a dust bag, but typically these items that I'm aware of don't come in dust bags, and I'm going to see if the next one, it was wrapped in a way that I'm not used to seeing it wrapped either. So I'm wondering if they're changing their method. But this one is from the holiday collection, and it's the notebook. I believe it's called the Jane notebook, and it has the Vivian in there, and has in their page there, it's just an aligned notebook, no other real special. It's just a nice notebook to have. It does come with some stickers, so there's that, which is kind of cute. But I just thought it was a cute notebook to have. So the reason why I got this is I normally get an agenda. My husband buys me every year the agenda refill for one of my agendas. I have a desk agenda, I have agenda, and he'll usually buy me one of those. And when we went to the store, they were sold out of everything. And we went early. This wasn't even early December. This was like Black Friday weekend, and they were out of stock. And I was just like, that seems impossible to be out of stock of 2026 in November. So I was like, whatever, okay, I guess they didn't make as many this year, because I noticed last year they hadn't sold out of the excess of them. So I thought, well, maybe they're, rolling back production or something like that. So picked up this one thinking, okay, well, I'll find some, I don't know, way to make a calendar and just kind of use the pages on here and use it as a agenda insert for the desk agenda. Fast forward about 2 weeks, and this arrives and goes under the tree, and I'm like, oh, did you buy something from LV? And he's like, yep. I'm like, that's strange. He normally just don't buy anything without chatting with me. He always tells me, what he's going to pick up. So this one did come with the new package, or the new box. Same, oh, how funny. They put the bow on the back side. So that's the front side, but they put the bow back here. That or he wrapped it himself, one of the two, because I don't think that Louis Vuitton would make a mistake, but you know, they might have. So I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, this is the agenda. I don't know which one, but that's usually what he buys me, is the agenda. So we'll poke this spot. It's tricky to open these ones with the, okay. The button. It's still identical. Oh wow, that looks horrible. Obviously it was shipped because the wrapping, the tissue's all messed up in there. Let's put that down. So I believe this is the desk agenda, which is the one I need. I hope it's the desk agenda. Agenda bureau. Yes, thank God. I'm getting worried. I was like, oh God, this feels like it doesn't have the spiral. So I got the insert for the desk agenda. Here is the code number on that, if you need it. And I get it every year. And then for a while there, I was refilling my medium size one. I just decided that I get more use out of the desk agenda, and then the medium one I just fill with pages and like the Filofax type of insert. So this one seems like it has like a cruising theme to it. I'll insert some pictures of the different imagery, but they always come with stickers as well. These are the stickers for this year. And this is January 10th already, so I'm very, very far behind in getting this on my desk and set up for the year. It's just I've been sick and haven't been able to get stuff together. So thankfully he was able to find that, and I'll be able to put that on my desk. So that was awesome. The final thing is the piece de resistance that I was looking forward to. It's quite unusual. It's not a bag, but it's definitely something I've been wanting for a few months now. I saw it in Chicago, and I'm really excited that I was able to pick them up. I was able to try them on and see how they looked, and I'm really excited about that. And they gave me some fragrance samples. I just realized that was in the bag too. She gave me Symphony and the Phantasmagory, which I tried in store, and I forgot that she had given me samples, so I have that to try out. Put those here so I don't forget them. And then we got this. And this one actually came with a little ornament, which is a really heavy gold cardstock. Looks like it's the trunk with the wings. Oh, that's really pretty. Keep that. Awesome. I'm going to keep that intact, so I'm going to take these off sideways. All right, so if you know this kind of box, you know what they are. It is, let's see if I can pull them out, a pair of shoes, and we've got 2 dust bags, they're quite large dust bags. I almost want to reuse them for a bag. Let me see if this is the one. Yeah, this is the one I want to show, because one has a special feature to it. So let me pull that out. If you want to guess which ones, I'm pretty sure I showed them in a vlog when I went. But if you didn't watch that or pay attention, then we didn't know. But they are sneakers from the winter collection, and it has a little Vivian on there. And this is removable, and that is what sold me. So these were the normal price that this sneaker comes in, but it had the Christmas animation, and then this part, this little charm, is removable. So you can do this real quick. You can take it off. The sales associate did it for me when I was in the store, and I was just like, oh my God, that's so cool, because it's like getting a bag charm for free, which I thought was just really kind of cool. But also that you could swap out and put a different charm on there if you wanted to. I'm glad that it's so difficult to get off, because that means it's just not going to fly off when you're walking with them. Okay, so here's the shoe by itself, and then here's the charm that goes on there. And this is little, like, really tight ring. But I thought it was really cool that you could put something else there, any other charm that you want to. And this kind of seemed like really large to have on there, so I thought it would make a really nice bag charm to have. So that's kind of like your bonus item. So I put that aside, and then let me grab the other shoe. So this is the decoration on this one. And I thought that, I mean, they're winter, obviously. It has the snowflakes on there, but it seemed not that obvious that I can wear them longer than just, Christmas time. It like wasn't overly Christmas. It was winter. So I figured they were, a decent investment piece, I guess, so to speak. I'm not going to wear them every day. I'm just going to wear them on occasion. And they're the extra light sole, so they didn't feel extra heavy. When I tried them on in store, they were a good size. Some people said the size down. I got the 39s, and I wear a 9, and they felt just fine. I had on a pretty decent thickness of sock on, and had plenty of room and felt just fine. I don't have the skinniest of feet, but they're not incredibly wide either, but they fit just fine. So I really just thought they were going to be really fun. So those were all of my Christmas items. I had several other things that I was considering buying, but in the end, I just was like, I'm just going to get them later in the year when, I have some sales or can get them pre-loved or whatever. So those will eventually go to the collection, but for now I thought these were really, really fun and good additions to the collection. So that's what I got for Christmas. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.